Pakistan's agriculture is home to several critical problems such as lack of water supply and lack of knowledge regarding fertilizer and pesticide management.
खाद और पानी की कमी से हमें पैदावार कम हो रही है और फसल को कीड़ा लग जाता है, फसल खराब हो जाती है।
Taaza by Orange Fox Labs is a modern, precision-based agricultural system which empowers the farmers to make more informed decisions regarding fertilizer usage management, pesticide management, and irrigation water management. How Taaza does it is by having a system of a single master and multiple slave devices, which have embedded sensors and are easy to install because of the modular design. Typically, there are a number of sensors, each of which provides data crucial for crops' growth. Users can add or subtract more sensors as per their need. Taaza can help the farmers save costs on irrigation water management, pesticide, and fertilizer usage by enabling farmers to make more informed decisions, resulting in better yields. Our dashboard app is where the real play takes place. It shows you real-time crop data and also graphical representation for better interpretation, and gives you alerts when any soil, environmental, or plant health parameter falls out of the optimal set range. Our user-friendly dashboard design allows you to mark the area on the map where you desire to monitor your crops, and our system will suggest the best locations for the deployment of the devices to get the data that is representative of the whole crop conditions for better results. Along with this, Taaza boasts a range of features to manage your day-to-day farm activities using our farm management tool.